Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge those regrettable purchases. Today, we're putting two tiny flying machines head-to-head, the VISNEE newest drone and the TOMZON A23 mini drone. So, buckle up and let's see which one of these mini beasts will take the crown. First up, the almighty dollar. The VISNEE newest drone is priced at $59. Meanwhile, TOMZON A23 mini drone is a steal at $39. So if you're looking for affordability, TOMZON might already have your attention. But hold your horses, we've got more categories to cover. Camera time. The VISNEE drone flaunts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket. Meanwhile, the TOMZON drone, well, it has no camera. So if capturing epic aerial shots is your thing, VISNEE takes this round hands down. Reviewers love the VISNEE for its breathtaking visuals, though some note that the lack of an electronic stabilizer means you'll need some practice for stable footage. Now, let's talk about their flying skills. VISNEE boasts features like one-key takeoff, land, altitude hold, headless mode, and even a 360 degrees flip. It's like the James Bond of drones. TOMZON, on the other hand, offers one-key takeoff, throw-to-go, 3D flips, and auto-rotation. Both drones can do some cool tricks, but if you want to feel like a secret agent, VISNEE's got a few more moves. Reviewers appreciate TOMZON's easy controls and quick response time, making it a favorite for beginners. Battery life. Because nothing ruins a good time faster than a dead drone, VISNEE provides a whopping 30 minutes of flight time with its two 1,800 mAh batteries. TOMZON gives you 18 minutes with its modular batteries. So if you're planning a drone marathon, VISNEE is the marathon runner, and TOMZON is more of a sprinter. Reviewers for both drones appreciate the flight times, though some wish for longer battery life. Now let's talk durability. TOMZON is built tough and comes with propeller guards that make it practically kid-proof. VISNEE is also solid but doesn't shout about taking hits like TOMZON does. So if you're a klutz or buying for a kid who thinks drones are indestructible, TOMZON might be your best bet. Reviewers commend TOMZON for its robust build, especially for indoor flying. Finally, the fun factor. VISNEE has a bunch of cool features like obstacle avoidance and circle fly, making it a blast to fly. TOMZON, with its colorful LED lights, is like a rave in the sky. Both are fun, but if you want to impress your friends at night, TOMZON's LED lights are a showstopper. Reviewers particularly love the LED lights on TOMZON, making it a hit during nighttime. Overall, reviewers find the VISNEE newest drone to be a feature-rich device with impressive visuals and long battery life, though some have encountered issues with durability and connectivity. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is praised for its affordability, durability, and fun factor, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. So who's the winner? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you want high-quality aerial shots and longer flight time, VISNEE is your go-to drone. But if you're looking for an affordable, durable, and fun drone with rave lights, TOMZON is your new best friend. Let us know in the comments which drone you think takes the crown. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart. Product links are in the description.